food is a precious thing, and it's not a thing to waste. And this is the message as a farmer to the world. Hi guys, first of all, thanks for subscribing my channel, and you all gives a lot of love on my previous videos that how I spend an entire day in my farm. And I'm getting a lot of comments that you want to know that which type of crops, plants, trees are in my farm. uh, in short, you want a complete farm tour, and this video is about my what is in my farm. And if you do not watch my previous video that how I spend my whole day, then you can check that video, link in the description. So let's start from the entrance. So this is my farm. It's a fence with the thrown wire, and this is the entrance which I just opened before shooting this video. And this side, this special portion is special. It's special for growing this grass, because this grass is for cows. And I come here to cut this grass with this weapon, a sharp blade. And this is grass for cow. And this is from where main farm starts, and it divided into two portions. One is for it is a orchard of mango trees, and this side is for crops, for growing crops. And these are the plants of ladyfinger. You can see organic natural ladyfingers are there. And these are all the plants of ladyfinger. It's a little bit congested, and these are the flowers of ladyfinger. And now I will show you the crops which are in the farm on this side. And this is the crop of rice. And this portion is divided into many parts. And this is the way, this is the boundaries of every portion. And now, and that portion is for crop of maize. And this is just a little tree. And this is the crop which is ready to harvest, because you can see the color is turning into yellowish from the green. And this is the control room where we all store our equipments related to farm. But unfortunately I can't show what is inside this because of the privacy issue. So all the electric controls for this borewell water, this is the meter. And it having a fan and a coat. And these are the trees of oranges, 2 or 3 trees of oranges on that part. And this is the crop of maize. This is, and half of that part is harvested, and it's a remain part. And that portion is, it is sowed with the a grass for the cow. When that portion that I show you on the entrance, when that get means when that portion get uh, empty, then that will be start to cut. And these are the plants of lady fingers. This is a separate part, and these are the at there we saw potatoes, onions, garlic, these type of herbs, and these are the plants of chili. And toward this part is having plants of brinjals, you can see, and these are also chili plants, and it's just recently planted. And these are the small pools are the important parts of our farm, because it is basically it's a irrigation system of this plant. It having three these type of small pools, and two two are governments, means the water comes from government supply, and that one we just build new recently last year. And in farm water is an important, it's a heart of like engine is the heart of car, and this is a heart of a farm. This means water system. I will this water system, and soon one day I will make a dedicated video that our irrigating system, about our irrigating system, that these are the lefter construction stand, and that portion it is harvested. There was a crop of maize, and it is harvested. Now soon after cutting this crop, we will plotter all the farm again, and that is the third pool on that. So this is that side of farm. Now I will show you the side of orchard, trees of mangoes. It's this is a little temple of God. So this is the second part. It is the orchard of mango tree. These are the massive trees. When the season of mangoes come, it's hard to bring that mangoes from the trees, and this is a tree of guava, and now we are in the shadows of the orchard of the trees, and so on there are the fence, and from there this is the orchard of trees. It having nearly 10 trees of mangoes, and these are the crop of rice, and so that was the complete tour of my farm. I hope you enjoyed that video, and soon I will post a harvesting video, that how we harvest uh, this crop of rice, because it's also an important day of a farmer to harvest their crops after doing such a hard work. And I also want to say something that farming teach me a lot of thing. I really learn a lot of thing that about why food is always a respectable thing. And after watching my videos, that how we spend our days and which type of hard work we do in our farm, I hope you will we get some kind of motivation, or some kind of uh, information that food is a precious thing, and it's not a thing to waste. And this is the message as a farmer to the world. And thanks again for subscribing my channel. I hope you will enjoy my next videos also. Thank you, and stay strong, and live a healthy life.